To use Klarna Payment. Start by selecting Klarna as your payment method at checkout when shopping online. You will be redirected to the Klarna website where you can log in to your existing account or create a new one. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have logged in or created an account, you will be asked to enter your payment details, including your credit or debit card information. Klarna accepts most major credit and debit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. You will also be asked to choose your payment plan, with options including paying in full at checkout, paying in 4 interest-free installments, or financing your purchase over a longer period of time. Klarna will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for credit and to verify your identity. This will not affect your credit score and is a standard practice for all Klarna users. If you are approved, you will be able to complete your purchase and receive your order. One of the key benefits of using Klarna is that you can pay for your purchases over time, without having to pay the full amount up front. This can be helpful for larger purchases, or for when you need a little extra time to pay. Klarna also offers a range of payment plans, so you can choose the one that works best for you. To manage your Klarna payments, you can log into your account online or through the Klarna app. From here, you can view your payment schedule, make payments, and track your spending. You can also contact Klarna customer support if you have any questions or concerns about your payments. It is also important to note that Klarna charges interest on late payments, so it is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any additional fees. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. In summary, using Klarna Payment is a simple and convenient way to shop online and pay for your purchases over time. By following these steps and choosing the payment plan that works best for you, you can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of Klarna Payment.